Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. I hope you all did good the first day of the week yesterday, ending up in green. I did pretty well. Uh, let's recap what we had yesterday. Yesterday, if you guys have seen my video, like I did mention that, first 30-minute or first hourly candle can give us low of the day. So the first candle of the day was the low of the day for yesterday, and I did not trade it much here. I was just scalping. I did took some swings about here, this area, so it was okay for me. I was trading E-mini futures yesterday. So let's see what happened in our hourly chart, because right now our hourly chart is in a bigger trading range, and we're at the top of the trading range as of now, as you can see here. And our let's see here about I think today will be there is a lot of buying coming up. I think we can poke through 202, 201, something like that, and we can get some kind of a trading range price action here, or there are chances that our next support, which was resistance until yesterday, over here where we had, there you go. Okay, we can also see 194-ish today, and then consolidate a little bit and then go up. Overall, we looking very bullish, as the buying is there with the move. Most importantly, any bull move of any stock, any ETF, any index, anything, if that is complemented with the right volume, that means the price will be going higher, higher, higher. So over here we are looking, there are a lot of buyers, not short covering but buyers, those who can push the price up. But we have a long resistance here around 200 area where we failed last time. So this is my area of concern, like where I think we can poke and we can then consolidate a little bit, and then see, then we can see if we have next leg up or next leg down. This price action here, let me this price action here, can we see similar price action this area, that like there is no more pullback, just going up and up and up? I think it is little it's little climatic. It's it's not possible. It's not like it's not possible. Anything is possible in the stock market, but it looks like it's not reasonable, as we have been trading this guy from such a long time. I mean, we don't see this kind of a price action once in 5 years or 10 years of a period, like where this kind of price action happens. So for getting a next bull lag where we have great rallies and all that, it looks little difficult. It looks not very promising. But my main concern would be where we failed last time. If we can go above that and trade well above that, which will be about 202-ish, like if we can trade well above this area here, if we can trade well above this area here, then this will be our support. This will be a good support for next several months or several years, that we can trade and we can go higher. As of now, I'm very neutral with the pre-market around the similar area. uh, First 20-30 minutes I would not be taking any trade. If there is a good big bar, I might take few scalps, but as of now, very neutral. There are chances, I think. I mean, as per I see 60-minute chart, I think we can poke through 199-ish, or we can poke through 202-ish and then come back and trade here. If we did not poke through this, and we can from the open of the day we start seeing the sell-off, then the support will be 194-ish, which was resistance until yesterday. So let's go to the weekly chart. I mean, if you see the weekly chart, it okay. So last week was very bullish candle. This bullish candle, if I mentioned in my yesterday's video as well, like this bullish candle is making a good reversal pattern, like lower highs, and this is a bull lag with the volume, bull bar with the volume. So I think as of now, if we are trading the weekly candle, our low is about 196, but under no circumstances the weekly candle should go below this guy here, like last week's high of the last week, so overall, again, very similar pattern, looking very bullish, but we have kind of a resistance going on here, in a trading range price action where we can see as good. Let's go to 5-minute candle, where we can see, like it goes very hourly candle, where we can see it gives us very promising move that, this will be a next bear breakout or a bull breakout, and it fails. Let's look at here. This was when everybody was thinking we are going way below, and we didn't. It's a trading range price action. These are the footprints of a trading range price action, where, like, we go up very very promptly, like, over here we were very sharp, like it was like, okay, there is no more downside left, then we saw bottom of the trading range, and over here we are thinking there is no downside left again. So let's see if this thing fails, or the breakout, like trade well above 202ish, and, like and we have the bull trend resumption again here. Somebody asked me about, uh, I forgot. Somebody, let me check. Let me check on my other computer very quick. Okay, somebody asked me about this guy here, Weight Watchers, that uh, I mentioned long back. Daily. I mentioned long back that this has this area here. Let me just get this chart ready for you guys. Okay, somebody tweeted me yesterday that if I can look into this chart, Watchers, that why we have this kind of a price action when it was so bearish. If you go to BOP, which I mentioned in my last BOP in my last few videos, that, like, for any swing trade, there is very important that we are with the price action, with the side of the institutions. If you go to the balance of power BOP, this area here, it was getting accumulated. The BOP was positive. With that, what we saw that, like there was even a bear trend, a very bear trend, but this guy did not show us much bearish action, as there is a bottom, very good bottom. So this guy has a potential of going uh, up to $14, like very soon, and a potential buy with the support somewhere around 4ish, which is a very strong support, and we can also take a moderate support which is around 5ish, and we can, like, see a good swing. So if this goes up, this is one of the bottoming candidates which I am as well looking into. I hope this video makes some meaning to you. Good luck, guys, and I see you on my Twitter account, where I mention all my posts, all my trades, most of my trades before I take, when it's still occurring. So good luck, and I see you everybody on my Twitter account. Bye bye.